Welcome to Engineering Physics tutorial. In this chapter, we are going to cover fiber optics. Here, optics means light. Fiber means, suppose if you take a thin metal that is called wire, if you take thin insulator or dielectric, that is called a fiber. Now, fiber optics is used to send a signal in a large distance, or it is used in optical fiber communication system. In this chapter, we are going to discuss introduction first, and then optical fiber as a dielectric waveguide, total internal reflection, acceptance angle, acceptance cone and numerical aperture, step and graded index, losses associated with optical fiber, applications of optical fiber communication system. These are the topics we will discuss. Now coming to the introduction of optical fiber. Optical fiber is basically used for transmission of signal. So first, what is nothing but a signal? Simply, signal is information. So we are sending the signal, means we are sending the information. We are receiving the signal, means we are receiving the information. So whatever that may be, whatever we are watching videos or images, all are information. Basically, this information is in electrical form. To transmit the signal as it is in electrical form, we require a conductor. We know our landline connection having a wire, because in that case our signal is coming and going in the form of electrical signal. But in case of fiber optics, the electrical signal is get converted into light signal. See here. So fiber optics is a technology in which signals are converted from electrical into optical signal. Optic means light. Optical signal transmitted through a thin glass fiber, again reconverted into electrical signal. First, this electrical signal is converted into light signal. How it is converted? We are having electrical signal. This is LED. Suppose our electrical signal is like this. So increasing electrical signal and then decreasing like this. This is electrical signal, means it is a voltage. Now if this signal, this voltage is connected to this LED. Now here see, as here voltage is increasing, if whatever the voltage applied here, if voltage is increasing, whatever the light coming here, light intensity also increasing. So this is the light intensity. Okay, so see here, as voltage is increasing, this side light intensity is increasing. That means here electrical signal is converted into light signal. Okay, at the receiving end, again the light signal is converted back to the electrical signal. Okay, so see here, now here we get the light signal. This light signal is given to the fiber optics. See the definition of the fiber optics. An optical fiber is a cylindrical waveguide. So This is the optical fiber, whatever you are seeing in the figure. This is the optical fiber. It is a very thin wire, as thin as human hair. An optical fiber is a cylindrical waveguide made of transparent dielectric, that means a glass. This is made of a glass. Light can travel to a glass. Okay, that's why we can see, if there is a glass, we can see outside that glass whatever the materials, whatever the objects, which guides the light wave along its length by total internal reflection. This is most important. This optical fiber is work based upon the total internal reflection. It is as thin as human hair, already I told to you. Approximately the thickness, what is 70 micrometer. Okay, or if you want to say that one in inch, 0.003 inch diameter. Okay, so